Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take out the Revuelto. Finally, as many of you requested, the video is finally coming, and look what we have here. Yo.
Purple gloves, let's go.
So I'm back here with my friend Pete and we're driving his Revuelto, finally. A lot of people asked about this video and we're gonna take it out for a spin, and we're most likely gonna go to the highway, but we have to survive those speed bumps first.
Yeah, I have the lift on.
You have the lift on? Oh. And it's currently in electric mode.
Yeah.
That's why it's so quiet.
I'll start it now. It's still in electric mode.
So both are on, right?
Both are on, but like it doesn't actually use the engine.
Yeah. The interior looks so nice. And you spec'd it yourself, right?
This is custom.
All custom?
I mean, it's ad personam.
What does that mean?
So of course, with every car you get to customize your options, but ad personam means to select something that's maybe not on the menu.
Ah, okay.
Already. Yeah, and for this car, I wanted the color of the interior to match the calipers and the diffuser.
And you decided the color based on a certain robot, right?
Yeah.
But the people, you can't, whoa! But you can't tell, we can't tell the people what the name of the robot is. If you know what robot...
Oh, if you know, you know.
If you know, yeah, but comment it down below.
I think it's quite popular. Oh, it's from an anime, it's an old anime.
Okay.
It's an old anime. What can I say?
Got a lot of positive feedback at a SVJ pickup. We are very happy for that, thank you guys. And a lot of people asked what you do for a living, Pete. Would you like to answer that?
Yeah, sure. I'm a private equities investor, so I invest in equities and some structured products. No crypto. I'm not a crypto.
No crypto. So you play it safe?
I have a bit of crypto, but it's more like I only bought a bit just to use.
Yeah, okay.
So no substantial amount.
So Bitcoin, Ethereum, like the basics?
I had a bit of Ethereum. I spent it all, and I do have some Bitcoin left, but it's like in the thousands.
Okay. Can you name some of your best performing stocks you had in the past?
Long term, it's been, I don't know.
Probably.
Tesla has been good, but I don't own any Tesla anymore. This is not financial advice.
Yeah. Nvidia has been one of the best,
Nvidia
right?
has been so nice. I've owned Nvidia since 2014, so
that's long.
It's been a while. I was into like building custom PCs and all that.
Yeah.
So if you stalk me online, you'll see me just be a bit huge nerd when it comes to gaming. And that's what made me buy Nvidia, because I was into like, should I get an AMD graphics card, an Nvidia graphics card, and that made me like watch all the Nvidia engineering videos. And when they kept going on about AI, it was ray tracing at first, and then AI, I got really into that. I thought like it had a future, so I didn't put my money there.
Would you still recommend investing in Nvidia? Non-financial advice?
This is not financial advice. But nobody knows.
But you're still in it, right?
I am.
Okay. All the way to the right and then downshift so we can hear the pops?
Yeah, but the thing is the downshifts, the pops are random.
Oh, they're random, so you can't
I can kind of try. No, it won't do it. There we go. It does it sometimes. I don't know.
It's crazy how it stacks on the street in the corners.
It's pretty good, yeah. It's very confident.
What kind of wheels do you have on? Like Is it semi-slicks?
I think they're custom Bridgestones for this car.
I'm starting to see now. I have had an effect here. But not the one I intended. Vengeance.
Oh yeah, by the way guys, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. But one other question from the last video was, what was the most expensive add-on you bought for a car? For example, an exhaust system or...
No.
Do you remember?
I'm not sure which one is the most. I remember some of the really expensive ones.
Okay, and what were they?
Carbon wheels for the Ferrari.
Ooh,
easily.
those are expensive. It's like 20k?
It was in Thai baht. I think it's 1.5 mil.
Ooh,
so that's way more.
That's way
It's like-
more.
It's around like 35, 40.
Yeah, wow. And exhaust systems are like 10k probably, right? 10, 15.
10 to 30k depending on.
Yeah. So wheels are probably the most expensive
Wheels.
add-on you can get for cars.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Maybe like, or you can do like a wide body tune, which is really expensive.
I mean, there are things from the factory like Ad Personam or tailor-made from Ferrari
Okay.
that will like skyrocket the price.
Oh, look at this. That's about to get epic here.
Really?
If someone decides to get the first supercar, what supercar would you recommend? Like in the price
What price
range,
range?
like the lower supercar price range.
911.
911? Like a basic model?
Whichever one you can afford. I would say Carrera S.
Carrera S, okay.
4S if you like the all-wheel drive, but I think Carrera S is great.
Old one or
A
like
Cayman, a good
Cayman?
Cayman, if you can find a good Cayman. But I heard like the 720 is unbeatable for value if you can find a good one secondhand somewhere.
a 720?
Yeah, because they depreciate a lot. So if you can find a secondhand one, like I don't think you can beat that.
Okay.
Yeah, but if new, I personally like the 296.
296,
But I
yeah.
think it's very expensive.
Yeah, it's kind of expensive. And it went up in price, right?
Yeah, so a 911 is good value.
But so far, all of the cars you have went up in price.
A bit, maybe.
Yeah, a bit, but still very good. Because most of the times cars depreciate like crazy.
Yeah. They do, yeah. I
So
still don't expect
good investments.
Like, I don't expect to sell my cars.
Yeah.
Like, you know, when you spec them, they're so unique that if I sell them,
Yeah.
like they still kind of have my name on it because like, oh,
Yeah. But if Ferrari gives you an allocation for something new, you kind of need to make space.
that is if they give me an allocation.
Maybe they will.
I hope so.
What's the best?
What?
So what's the best thing about this car? Acceleration, sound, and handling.
I'd say handling.
Handling?
Everything. It's so good at everything.
Yeah.
For the first time, I feel like Lamborghini really made a perfect car.
But it's for, if people want to get this car, it's very hard for them, right?
You have to wait a bit. I think.
Wait a 2 years.
I don't know. I don't know what's the wait time now. but,
Okay.
I mean, look, I can shift up to 8th gear, and
Yeah.
it's comfortable, quiet and comfortable. Or you can shift down and put it in like super like Corsa mode.
So Pete, one more question from the last video, the SVJ pickup.
Okay.
If you have any questions, guys, leave them in the comments. But what has been your favorite car in the past, which
Like-
you had
like-
to sell?
Taycan Turbo S.
Really? And why?
The Urus comes close, but the Taycan Turbo S.
Because of the acceleration.
It was comfortable. It was low key enough, right? Like it wasn't very flashy. It was
Yeah.
comfortable. It was low key. It was an EV, but like you can have fun with it. And being an EV, you don't have to refuel.
And the interior is probably nice because of Porsche, right?
It's nice enough, yeah. So like it has like ventilated seats. It's very
Yeah.
important here.
Yeah.
And it's comfortable. The sound system was good. It had Apple CarPlay. the range was okay, and like you can really have fun on the roads because of how quick it is. You know, you can like,
Oh wow.
I can throw you stuff onto that screen. I'm not quite close, so.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. You wanna look at my E range of 8 kilometers.
Nice. Back home.
Back home.
No, it's fine. Look at that color. It's so beautiful.
We can do a review of the car like when the lights are on.
Pete, thank you so much for the ride.
You're welcome.
It was amazing. What an insane car. The question is, what is next for you?
I am not sure actually.
But
I do want something red.
red. Ooh, okay.
I mean, I have every color here now.
But you probably.
I need red, green, and orange.
Where can the people find out more updates from you? On your Instagram.
Yeah.
Instagram, yeah.
Yeah. I might make a YouTube channel, or I might start posting. I already have one. But
Yeah, leave a comment if Pete should post more.
I don't know what kind of videos to make, man.
Yeah, people can give us recommendations or give you recommendations.
Sure, but I want to stay pretty low key.
Okay, let's do it. Perfect. Thank you.